Good morning, students. From today, we'll start with chapter number 10 in NCERT, which is light, reflection, and refraction. I must tell you, children, it's a very important chapter. It's a very interesting chapter, and those who have not paid attention in previous chapter must pay attention in this, because this chapter will help you to score maximum marks in your board exam. It has a lot of weightage. Maximum questions come from this chapter. So it's my suggestion to listen this chapter and keep doing it regularly as and when whatever I am doing. So children, I start with light. You know, children, what is light? Yes, whatever is coming in your mind, light is a form of energy which gives sensation of sight. देख सकते हैं जिससे आप चीज़ों को, जिसकी प्रेजेंस में, that is light, right? Light, along with this, children, light is an electromagnetic wave. Children, what is an electromagnetic wave? I must tell you here. Electromagnetic waves are those which can travel even without medium, whether there is a medium or not, whether there is space or any planet or sun or outer space, it can travel, because electromagnetic waves are those which does not require any medium for propagation. Children, the purpose of sending videos is that you can watch them as many times as you want and you can see what I have seen repeatedly. So light is an electromagnetic wave which does not require any medium for propagation, right? And speed of light in vacuum, we sometimes call it air in general. Speed of light in vacuum is, children, 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meters per second. And this speed, children, changes from medium to medium. This speed is not same in water, glass, or any other medium. Speed of light, that I will tell you how it changes, that is also in our syllabus. Speed of light changes in different medium, right, children? This is about normal light. Now I start with the first very important phenomena, which is called reflection. Reflection is the first phenomena which I am going to teach in this chapter. Children, reflection, what is reflection? Suppose, children, you take a rubber ball, you throw it on a paper or on the wall, it will bounce back. Similarly, if I allow light to fall on a surface, it will bounce back. This bouncing back of light after striking an optically plane surface is called reflection. So I write about reflection. It is bouncing back of light after striking an optically plane surface is called reflection. Bouncing back of light after striking an optically plane surface is called reflection.